How to save money fast. Having a little money to spend is important, but you want to make sure you are not wasting it. There are a few steps you can take to save money fast. Assess your spending. Taking the time to assess your spending can help you determine where you are wasting money. A simple checklist of your monthly expenses will give you a better picture of your financial health. A simple spreadsheet can be all you need to keep track of your expenses. Some banks and private companies offer similar tools to help you create a budget. For instance, the N26 app allows you to track your spending by the hour. It's also a good idea to take a close look at your credit card statements. This can help you determine what your actual budget is and whether you're actually spending more than you make. The best budgets are flexible enough to let you adjust and tweak them as needed. Buy energy-efficient appliances. Purchasing energy-efficient appliances can save you money and protect the environment. It can also help you reduce your carbon footprint. In the US, we burn fossil fuels to produce electricity and heat our homes. The result is greenhouse gases, which trap heat in the atmosphere and contribute to climate change. These gases are harmful to human health and the environment. When you purchase new appliances, you will often receive rebates and other incentives. The amount of savings you receive depends on the appliances you replace and your local energy costs. Energy-efficient appliances will help you save money on electricity and water costs. You may also qualify for low-interest loans or other incentives to help you cover the cost. ENERGY STAR certified appliances are more energy efficient than conventional models. They can reduce your energy bills by up to 50%. Eat at home. Taking the time to cook at home can save you money, as well as the health of your family. It's easy to fall into the trap of dining out, but that doesn't have to be the case. You can save big bucks without giving up your favorite foods. It's not uncommon to see the cost of restaurant meals run into the hundreds of dollars per person. The average American family goes out 3 or 4 times a week. And even if you're able to save money on the food, you're still going to spend money on the ambience and service of a restaurant. The average home meal costs only $4 per person, and a meal for 4 can be had for less than $10. Cut your spending. Getting control of your spending is a great first step in budgeting and managing your finances. While it may seem like a daunting task, there are a number of ways to cut your spending to save money fast. One of the easiest ways to cut your spending is to cut out eating out. The average American spends $6,602 a year on food. This cost can easily add up. Instead of going out to eat every time you feel hungry, plan a few easy meals at home. Another way to cut your spending is to use coupon sites. These sites make it easy to find coupon codes for items you already purchase. Sell your car. Whether you're selling your car to pay down debt or to fund a new purchase, there are several ways you can sell your car to save money fast. Before you decide how to sell your car, you should consider your own needs. If you're looking to sell your car to pay down debt, for example, you may be able to save money by selling your car for a lower price than you'd pay for it in cash. You can also sell your car as part of a trade-in. A trade-in can give you a fair price for your car while allowing you to make a profit on your trade. Follow the pros on YouTube. Luckily, for you there are a ton of personal finance YouTube channels out there to help you get your finances on track. From credit cards to credit scores to the budgeting process, there's something out there for everyone. There's even a YouTube channel for college students to behold. So, if you're looking for something to watch on your laptop while you're working, you've come to the right place. And it's free. Besides, YouTube is a fun place to be. and with a little luck you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. And the best part is that you don't have to give up your favorite game show to do it.